What's going on? Carlos here with Range 11 Tactical. In this video, I'm going to discuss what this channel is all about, topics I'll be covering, and our main focus. I'll also include a little bit about myself at the end, so be sure to stay tuned.
Yeah, the other teams are moving in the background.
All right, welcome back. This is Range 11 Tactical. We have one simple philosophy on this channel, and that is master the basics, right? There's no such thing as advanced tactics. It's simply doing the basics better, faster, and more efficiently. That's it. All right, so with that focus in mind, we're going to create content full of useful tips, techniques, and or drills to help you in the mastery of those skills. We're going to cover everything from firearms training to room clearing, situational awareness, personal security, and gear reviews and DIY videos that complement the topics covered. The goal is that you use the information found within this channel to build and or expand your tactical knowledge base, right? Tools for the toolbox, okay? So I also urge you to test the techniques and validate them for yourselves, right? Do your homework, put them through their paces, and ensure they make sense to you within the context of your environment. Okay, so that's Range 11 Tactical. That's what we're all about. That's what we'll be covering. So, as promised, a little bit about myself. I am a military veteran with over 20 years of tactical experience. Early in my career, I started off in the Army as an airborne infantryman and then later transitioned into the federal law enforcement special operations community. I've had the privilege of training with and or teaching military and law enforcement units both in the United States and abroad, and my goal is to share that knowledge with you in a unique blend between the law enforcement, military, and civilian worlds. All right, so if you find this type of information valuable, please leave me a comment down below on video ideas that you'd like me to discuss, and of course consider subscribing so you can catch my latest videos. With that, stay safe and train hard.